Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to demonstrate very important feature in networking in Windows. Actually, we have seen about sharing in many places, and sharing is one of the most easiest way to transfer our data on variety of network platforms. That may be internet, that may be LAN, WAN, cloud, or maybe you can able to forward data maybe via voice. But it's important for us to manage and maintain security. So that's why here we have in Windows, we have a concept of hidden sharing. So this means you may have many users on network, those they want to access your information. So some people they know your credentials to access the informations. But there are few people out there that you want to share this information, not with everyone. So you're going to give them a specific name for the sharing. Via that name, they are going to access the share secretly. Let me walk out the steps. Here we have two operating systems. I have Windows 7 and Windows 10. So let me first check IP address of these both machines, and then we are going to ping, and then we are going to start the process. For that, to find IP, so go to CMD and just type ipconfig, and here I got IP is 0.100 for Windows 10, and for Windows 7 I'm going to find in same way. So IP for this machine is 105 for Windows 7. So for it's closed. We find it again. Yeah, this is 116. This is 105. So let me ping first. So I'm going to ping Windows 10 to Windows 7. So obviously I need to type Windows 10 IP. It's 192.168.0. This IP is 116. So ping it. There you can see I'm getting reply from ICMP. So that is communicating with me. Windows 10 is communicating with Windows 7. And now this machine IP 105, I'm going to ping it in Windows 10. So 192.168.0.105. There you can see I'm getting reply. So this means both machines are communicating with each other, no issues. I'm going to share, I'm going to demonstrate this hidden sharing from Windows 10 to Windows 7. Also vice versa, that is true. For example, I'm going to create two directories because in Windows, you can't share a file. For example, you are having a file and you having a folder. So in case I have two folders, and there you can see, as I told, you can't share a file because file have no sharing options in Windows. There you can see there is no sharing options. But for directories, we have a sharing options. Go to properties, here we have a sharing. All right, so first of all, I'm going to rename this. So this way I'm going to give like share one. Oh, sorry, I have already the name share one. So I'm going to give some other name. So I'm going to give like sharing one, and this is my sharing two, right? So let me share. To share, I'm going to share with the basic permissions. So share this folder, permissions, and there you can see here, we have basic permissions. I'm going to give this one. All right, so that one is sharing. So how to check whether that that directory, that folder has been shared locally? So you can use this in this machine itself. We can use a loopback IP 127.0.0.1. So you can see I have two shares, share one, sharing one. Or you can also use the concept of local host, and you will get the local sharing. You can be able to see sharing inside this instance itself. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to have this, and how to access the share. So go to run and put this one, IP of my Windows 10 in Windows 7. So there you can see he will opening this sharing. You can see here, right? So I got share one and sharing one and share one. There you can see. But let us share this. I'm going to keep this as a hidden sharing. That is sharing two. So go to properties, sharing, and share. There you can see here, I'm going to put a dollar sign here. Okay. So put the dollar sign means it is resembles as a hidden sharing. So now give him also the same level of permissions. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put some content in sharing too. Let's consider I have some data in sharing too. So I have shared. Now go back to Windows 7 and try to refresh it. There you can see the sharing to is not coming here as there is no visibility of sharing to. So this means that is hidden. So only few people's I will just give this sharing resources, but for other people's it will be completely hidden. So this means all the network, the sharing is hidden. So how to access this? So to access this, again, we need to go run, put the slash, and I'm going to use the name sharing to $slash. There you can see I can able to open the hidden sharing to content in my Windows 7 machines. So this is how we do normal sharing. That's the difference between normal sharing and hidden sharing. So hidden sharings are always useful because the respective person has to know the accurate name of the sharing, and then he can get access. So he or she get access to see this resource. But this one is normal sharing. This can be viewed by anyone. I hope you understand how to do hidden sharing. So this is great security features for us in our Windows machines. So you can apply this on any server versions and desktop versions of Windows operating systems. I hope you really enjoyed. Thank you so much. So I catch you next video. Bye bye.